this video, we're gonna talk about PHP data type. So without wasting any time, let's get started. At first, what do you mean by data types? The name itself explaining that data type means type of data. Now PHP data type are mainly divided into three types, named as scalar data types, composite data types, and special data types. Integer, double, string, and boolean data types are considered as scalar data type, whereas array and object data types are considered as composite data types, and null and resource data types are considered as special data types. In total, there are 8 data types in PHP. We are not going to discuss all of them because it is not necessary for right now. In this video, we will discuss about scalar data type only. Scalar data type allow us to create variable or constant which can hold a value. So at first, integer. Integer means whole number, that is number without floating points. For example, 111, 220, 13, minus 40, etc. are example of integer. You can see that I have a variable named rank and have value 2. It means variable rank is holding integer data type. In second, we have double. Double means decimal or float number, that is number containing floating point. For example, 3.142, 1.11, minus 40.32, etc. are example of double. You can see that I have a variable named score and I have value 40.38. Here 40.38 is double value. So we can say that variable score is holding double data type. In third, we have string data type. String is sequence of characters enclosed within pair of quotes or single quotes. Here I have variable named player name and have a value Marshall. Here you can see that the value is inside between double quotes. It means variable is holding string data type. And at last, boolean. Boolean indicates logical or conditional result and have only two possible values, that is true or false. In PHP, integer having 0 value and minus 0, double with value 0.0 and minus 0.0, string with empty quotes, string with value 0, boolean false value, and array with 0 element, the special type null are considered as false. Except these, everything is true in PHP. Here I have a variable named result and have value true. It means variable result is holding boolean data type. In conclusion, integer have whole number without floating point, double have whole number with floating points, string have sequence of characters inside double or single quotes, boolean have logical result and contain two possible value true or false. So that was all about scalar data type in this video. For more updates, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and comment this video. Also, you can share this video with your friends and others so that they will get benefit. Thank you very much. See you all in next tutorial. Till then, keep learning, keep coding.